July 17, 2019 marked 30 years since the B-2 Spirit first took to the skies and became America's premier long-range strike bomber. The B-2, a Northrop Grumman engineering marvel and legendary aircraft, spelled a quantum leap for technology and American air superiority. Even today, the B-2 continues to perform, inspire, and pave the way forward. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the unbelievable power of the B-2 Spirit bomber. Designed during the Cold War as the world's first low-observable or stealth strategic bomber, the B-2 Spirit harks back to the designs of revolutionary engineer Jack Northrop. His flying wing design first debuted in 1949 as the YB-49, but was not adapted by the Air Force at the time. The B-2 Spirit is a multi-role bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear munitions. The bomber represents a major milestone in the U.S. bomber modernization program and brings massive firepower to bear anywhere on the globe through previously impenetrable defenses. It is described as one of the most survivable aircrafts in the world. This incredible bomber is capable of all-altitude attack missions up to 50,000 feet, with a range of more than 6,000 nautical miles unrefueled and over 10,000 nautical miles with one refueling, giving it the ability to fly to any point in the world within hours. Its distinctive profile comes from the unique flying wing construction, meaning it has no fuselage or tail. The leading edges of the wings are angled at 33 degrees, and the trailing edge has a double W shape. The aircraft measures 69 feet long, 17 feet high, and has a wingspan of 172 feet, half the length of a football field. The B-2's low observability is derived from a combination of reduced infrared, acoustic, electromagnetic, visual, and radar signatures. These signatures make it difficult for the sophisticated defensive systems to detect, track, and engage the B-2. The cockpit accommodates two crew, a pilot in the left seat and mission commander in the right, and has provisions for a third crew member if needed. The cockpit is equipped with a color 9-tube electronic flight instrumentation system which displays flight, engine, and sensor data, and avionics systems and weapons status. The pilot can choose to activate the appropriate selection of flight and mission equipment for takeoff mode, go-to-war mode, and landing mode by using a simple three-way switch. The aircraft carries all its weapons internally and is fitted with two separate weapons bays in the center of the aircraft. The B-2 stealth bomber has the capacity to carry up to 40,000 pounds of weapons, including conventional and nuclear weapons, precision-guided munitions, gravity bombs, and a range of maritime weapons. Each weapons bay is equipped with a rotary launcher and two bomb rack assemblies. In tests, the B-2 successfully released B-61 and B-83 nuclear and Mark 84 conventional bombs from the rotary rocket launcher, and Mark 82 and CBU-87 conventional weapons from the bomb racks. The B-61-11 is an Earth-penetrating nuclear bomb for use against deeply buried and hardened targets. The B-83 is a strategic freefall nuclear bomb. The Spirit bomber is powered by four General Electric non-afterburning F-118 GE100 turbofan engines internally mounted in the body of the wings. The engines provide high subsonic speeds of 900 km per hour and altitudes of 12,000 meters, with a maximum gross takeoff weight of 336,500 pounds. The engines also have an exhaust temperature control system to minimize thermal signature. The in-flight refueling gear is installed in the top center line of the aircraft behind the cockpit. base for a record-setting 44-hour mission. The aircraft's performance is even more impressive in that the B-2 made a quick pit stop for a 45-minute crew and service change with engines still running. It then flew back to Missouri for another 30-hour flight for a total of more